moro makelo kanyakla jotelo mamine kod josiasa mawuok e gwenge mopogore opogore kaunti ma Meru owuok oko mar kwedo jotend wards kata MCAs ma kaunti no kuom chwalo dwaro mar thicho oko e apisi Gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza. Kagiwacho ni mano en akwede maten mine manochako chon e kinde telo mar Anirita Karimi. Magi e kitimore seche ma bende Gavana Kawira olieko ni midhiero mokwake en kaluwore gi kit chwech mare. Oganda dhoud Meru pok orwako telo mar mine, gino momiyo gidwa thiche oko e apisi.
In Meru is for men against women and gender issue. Yes. Kawira is competent as a governor. Yes. We have seen her going to Mashinani. We have seen her exerting as a woman rep before she was elected as a governor. Yes. So it is not an issue of incompetence. It is an issue of gender. Yes. It is an issue of male chauvinism. Yes. It is an issue of Meru men cannot accept that they are being ruled by a woman. Yes. This is a curse we intend to break. Yes. As Meru women. And I'm calling upon the men of Meru County to come up and protect Kawira Mwangaza because you are fathers of daughters. Yes. If you don't protect Kawira Mwangaza today, your daughter has no chance of ever becoming a leader in Meru County.
Tunasema viongozi wetu wapatanishwe.
Najua village ile ameenda MCA president na wote. Ni nani angefurahi sana kuambiwa ondoka kwa hiki kiti, enda pali pengine ama enda nje.